everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and today I have another what I eat in a day gluten-free video for you guys. Today is number 11. Can you believe that? I missed 10 last week. I was supposed to, do a big like hurrah type of thing and it didn't end up happening. But yeah, so today it's gonna be a what I eat in a day. If you guys are new to my channel, I have a whole bunch of gluten-free videos, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sandwiches. I have all kinds of stuff. So if you guys would like to see those, check them out. Playlist either down below or up above or somewhere around here. And yeah, so if you guys would like to see what I eat in a day, gluten-free, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so this is gonna be more of a hearty meal, but I had one leftover turkey patty in my fridge and I just wanted to get rid of it, so we're making a turkey patty breakfast sandwich. And right here, I'm trying to fold my egg to be like a perfect square, and then it broke on me and the whole thing just fell apart on me. So I was trying to do a square and I ended up coming out with like a triangle heart thing. That's what we're gonna use right there. It looks so funny, but I was really trying to make a square, like the perfect, like fast food type of square egg. It didn't work. And then in the same pan, we're gonna heat up the turkey patty, and I'm just seasoning it, wow, with a little bit of seasoned salt. And we're just gonna cook that up, season both sides, and then we're gonna add it to a bagel. You guys can use whatever sandwich bread you want. I have a whole bunch of videos on breakfast sandwiches and stuff like that, so I have a couple more coming out very, very soon. I have another sandwich video coming out. We're gonna do 5 more sandwiches that just came to my mind the other day, so stay tuned for that one. But this one, I had bagels left over, so we're gonna use a bagel. Usually what I do with those is I throw them in the toaster oven. No, I'm sorry, not the toaster oven, the air fryer. And I put it in for like 350 for maybe like 5 minutes, and then they get a little golden brown like that. And then I had some leftover avocado that we are gonna mash up and just put on one side. If I had enough, I would put it on the other side, but I didn't have enough. So you guys can add whatever you like to it. I do have a breakfast sandwich with some chipotle sauce, so you guys can add that to it. There's all kinds of stuff you can add to this. And then we're gonna do my not square egg. And then we're gonna add the turkey patty with some cheese on top, and that's pretty much it. This meal is so filling and so freaking good. Give it a try, promise. Dude, when I tell you that this meal was delicious, it was freaking delicious. I have not been able to have an egg roll since going gluten-free, and I swear this hit the spot. It is so good. I always see it on Pinterest, and I've always wanted to try it, and then I finally tried it, and it is freaking amazing. So we have some ground chicken. You guys can use pork or beef or whatever you want, and then I seasoned it with some salt and white pepper, not black pepper, white pepper. And then we ground it up, and then I added some, what is that? That's ginger and that's garlic. And then I added some gluten-free soy sauce, which is tamari, and then some coconut aminos because they're a little bit more salty, so it kind of balances itself out. And then I added some crushed red pepper flakes for a little bit of kick. You guys don't have to add that. That's just for my own liking. And then I also got this bag at the store. It is a coleslaw mix. And it's just in the produce section, one of those bags where they're all raw and not frozen, but raw. And yeah, then I just wilted it down. You guys don't have to grab that. You guys can add whatever it is that you want to this dish. But we are going to cook this up, and I want to say I added a little bit more of the coleslaw mix because I wanted it kind of, veggie-ish. And then I also wanted it a little bit more hearty because I like me some carbs. And I did have some noodles, I want to say they were rice noodles or Thai noodles in my cupboard. So I decided to cook those up really quick and then add it to it. And then I seasoned it just a little bit more with some more tamari and some more liquid aminos. And I just kind of twirled that around. And dude, if you guys have been missing egg rolls, try this. I promise you will not be disappointed. I add a little bit of sesame seeds on top after, and it was freaking delicious. Like even right now as I'm watching myself cook it, I'm like, dang, I need to make that again. I'm going to the store later. I'm buying some ground chicken. I'm buying all this stuff all over again. You guys can add rice or whatever you feel. You guys can completely leave it as is, and I'm pretty sure it would be keto friendly, but don't quote me on that. I don't eat keto. But oh, it was so good. Look at it. Masterpiece. Just, and I'm not even trying to toot my own horn. I'm just saying this meal was freaking delicious. Now, I don't normally make tacos like this, but we're on a budget this time around, so we're doing some ground beef tacos. We are making our own Spanish rice or Mexican rice. I'm not sure what's the difference between both of them. I know my mom calls it Spanish rice. I'm Mexican, if you guys don't know, hi. But she makes Spanish rice, but I want to say this is considered Mexican rice. But we toast up the white rice. We did 2 cups because we were having this for a few days. And then we throw it in the rice cooker because I cannot cook rice on the stove. I don't know if you guys have the same problem as me, but I cannot cook rice on the stove. So we added a can of tomato sauce. We added some chicken broth. I want to say it's chili powder or paprika. I'll have to correct myself on that one in the comments. We add some cumin. I know we added a chicken bouillon cube, and then we did some garlic salt. And once again, like, try not to over salt it. It can be very tricky, but just kind of play it by ear. I'll try to put measurements down below, but it's literally like just seasoned to taste, but you can't really taste, so maybe it's just habit. And then we're cooking 2 bags of ground beef. You guys can swap this out for turkey or whatever. It's up to you. And then they have these gluten-free packets at It's Taco Seasoning at Walmart. And I usually make my own seasonings and stuff, but I don't usually use ground beef. So you guys can use your own spices if you don't like the bags. And then we just kind of cook that up, and then we ground it up, and then we add the seasonings to it. Now, I didn't really drain the oil and stuff because we don't get that high of fat in our taco or in our ground beef. And it asked for water, so instead of making it super liquidy, I wanted to just kind of use up the water that was in there. Don't recommend that. Drain this, add water. I wanted to make it kind of like a Taco Bell. You know how like Taco Bell's is kind of like softer meat, like it's a little more liquidy? I kind of wanted to do that because I haven't had Taco Bell since going gluten-free, so yeah, that's what I wanted, but it didn't really work out the way that I wanted it to. So my recommendation, do not leave the grease in there or the fat, whatever, in there. Just add water. Go as recommended on the package. And then after that, we have the rice and stuff cooking. I did cook beans, but I don't have a clip of it, but I did cook my own refried beans. I will show you guys that in a different video. I cook it all by hand. It takes like 6 hours though. So, yeah, this day was insane, and I didn't catch that. I had cooked it in the morning, and it's kind of was just chilling there. But that is how the rice turns out. We fluff it up a little bit. We do cut up some tomatoes, onions, lettuce on the side, so you'll see that in the clip in a little bit. You guys can grab your own pico, and you know, you can buy shredded lettuce if you want to. Buy guac because we did not have it, and I forgot about it at the store, and I was so mad when we were eating these. Oh, and these shells are gluten-free. Says it right there. I see a little check. But yeah, get guac. And this was our dinner. We had a little bit of sour cream, some rice, some beans, and some tacos. So good. Simple and easy. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.